when you start to pick your colors, drive around your neighborhood. Look and see. The neighborhood should be cohesive. Everything should flow together. Take into consideration, do you have any rock on your house, any brick? What is your roof color? Because you're going to want to tie in your roof. So don't think that you can have a gray roof and a brown house.
Would never have thought about that ever.
Right. You need to take all the elements, not only the elements you're painting, but the elements you're not painting as well. How many colors should you have on the exterior of your house?
I'm going to guess 3, no more than 3.
I would, and that's a really good answer. It depends on your substrates. Like I have siding and stucco, so I could have a stucco color, I could have a siding color, and then a trim color. But there again, my house is not that big. It's about 1,400 square feet. So I would probably do a tone on tone, which is like, if you look at a fan deck and you look at the colors going down, pick 2 colors that are in the same family, and then a trim color to make something pop. Or there again, you could pop your front door.
I was just going to say, if you break it down, most houses are going to be trim color, wall color, and maybe a highlight color for the front door, right?
Right. Typically, yes. And you don't want to get over crazy, because then again, let's bring in your landscaping and have something that's going to bloom and bring in some color that way. You need to take all of that in consideration when you're planning. It's planning. That's, you know, we always say, like when we talk about interiors, have a board, have a plan. It's the same thing with your exterior, all the way from your landscaping.
So your entire architectural design matters here.
Oh, absolutely, and that's what I'm telling people.
But if you're a you know, a homeowner, you can actually go into our store and open up a preferred customer account, and that's the way that we'll track your paint colors for up to 10 years. So that way, you know, if you get a customized color, you'll for sure have that in the system, and you know, have that formula for over 10 years, which is a really good factor of our program.
I don't think you're going to get that at a big box store.